Hello, my name is Tim Haskins, the home loan coach, and I have a great announcement for you today. The home loan coach has moved to SunWest Mortgage Company. Look them up on Facebook. They're a great company, been in business for about 42 years, family-owned company, and they are a top 100 mortgage company. They lend in 48 states across the United States, soon to be 49. And also in Puerto Rico and Virgin Islands. So chances are we got you covered if you need to get a home loan anywhere in the United States, including Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. We have a great service that we offer at SunWest Mortgage. I've worked for SunWest Mortgage for a couple years in the past, and they're a great company. I didn't lose any loans, and that's important because you want a company that has a philosophy of wanting to fund your loan and not looking for ways to kill your loan, and that is SunWest Mortgage. They offer loans, government loans, which would be a FHA loan or a VA loan down to a 500 FICO score. Most companies I've worked at in the past, they have a 600 credit score floor for government loans. A lot of companies are 580. SunWest is happy to work with you with the lower credit scores. And they offer a great service, and that's what's most important. What I love about SunWest is the service that they offer. You can get a conditional approval in 1 hour. Conditional approval means that your loan has been looked at by an underwriter and you have conditions to meet before you are fully approved. So 1 hour conditional approval, and then they have 24-hour true approval, 24-hour true approval. And that true approval means is that it has been underwritten by an underwriter and all conditions have been met, so that when you go out and put in an offer, your offer is as good as cash. You can have no loan contingencies, which means that when you put in an offer the normal way, there may be a contingency period of 15 days, 17 days, whatever's negotiated between you and the seller. And in that 15-day period, that contingency period, you have to get your loan approval. Well, guess what? When you deal with SunWest Mortgage and you work with the home loan coach, I send you out fully prepared, armed with the true approval that says that you've already been fully underwritten and your offer is as good as cash. And that's backed, 100% guaranteed by SunWest Mortgage Company. Because they have done the work up front, they're saying that they can 100% fund your loan if the appraisal checks out, because we wouldn't have that yet. We're just underwriting you, your credit, your job, your income. That information is rock solid. And if they cannot fund the loan for whatever reason, mistakes happen. If there was a mistake, they're going to fund the loan with their own money. So you don't have to worry about it. That is an ironclad 100% guarantee that if you go through our true approval process, and it can go as fast as 24 hours, we can have that to you. And you are going out into a marketplace which is not as tough as today as it was 6 months, a year ago. But it's refreshing to know that when your agent puts the offer in, that you're 100% approved. You don't have to worry about jumping hurdles through the process. That really makes this process a lot easier, a lot less stressful. And that's what I aim to do. The home loan coach aims to make this process as easy as it can. It is an emotional process when you buy a house. Most of the time in most people's lives, a house purchase is their largest purchase, so it can be stressful, but I like to take the stress out of the equation. Again, you're listening to Tim Haskins, the home loan coach, announcing that I have moved to SunWest Mortgage, a top 100 mortgage company, licensed to do loans in 48 states, soon to be 49, and also in Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. Home of the 24-hour true approval, which I just explained, that is a 100% ironclad approval that we will fund your loan. That means we can move quickly. If you've already been 100% pre-approved up front and you have that true approval, then all we're waiting for is an appraisal, some title work. You can close in 10 to 14 days. 10 to 14 days or less. That's why this is as good as a cash offer. So if you're competing for a home, your dream home, and someone else has a regular pre-approval or a pre-qualification where it has not been to the underwriter at all, you stand out head and shoulders above the competition. Your offer will be accepted over the offer from someone who does not have what you have. So I want to encourage you to give me a call on my direct line. My direct line is 661-992-7005, and have a no cost, no obligation consultation on how to get you approved for that next home loan purchase. If you need to refinance, I can help you with a refinance. If you in need of buying rental property, again, we can do loans in 48 states plus Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands. So there's a lot of great opportunity out there if you want to become a real estate investor, or you want to have some tax write-offs from tax shelters, make some passive income. I can help you out with that as well. So home purchases, refinances, purchasing investment properties. We do all of the loan programs. We got FHA, VA, conventional, USDA. We have the non-qualified mortgage programs, which are bank statement programs or 1099 only programs. We have all the programs that you need to help you get qualified for your home loans. So again, I'm announcing that I have joined SunWest Mortgage Company, and I want to share with you another tool that SunWest Mortgage Company has. All of you can go to usemorgan.com. If you're a real estate agent, you can use this service. If you're a potential home buyer or wanting to refinance and you have questions about the home buying process, the home loan coach is always here. You can reach out to me at 661-992-7005. And if you want to set an appointment for a no cost, no obligation consultation, you can go to HaskinsTeamHomeLoans.com. HaskinsTeamHomeLoans.com and set up an appointment there. Book it on my calendar and we'll be good to go. But SunWest has launched Morgan. You can go to usemorgan.com, and it's underwriting at your fingertips. If you have a question about the home buying process, refinancing, you can ask Morgan, and it'll respond to you within the hour. Most of the time, it's within minutes. But you can ask those questions on usemorgan.com. It's a great tool to get questions asked. If you can't reach your loan officer, you just want to get more knowledgeable on the process. It's a great process. So again, I want to announce that the SunWest Mortgage Company is where I'm at now, here to serve you in 48 states, soon to be 49 in Puerto Rico and in the Virgin Islands. And what we do here is we help first-time home buyers. If you're a first-time home buyer, if you need to refinance to pull cash out, that's something that I've been doing a lot of right now. A lot of people are not refinancing to drop their interest rate right now because interest rates are higher than they've been over the past 12 months. So you probably wouldn't want to refinance at this time if you have a low interest rate. But if you find yourself in a position that you may have used hard money or a bank statement program, and you have a high interest rate, let's talk about it. Let's talk about lowering that rate if you do have a high rate. If you have high interest debt, credit card debt, auto loans, any type of debts you have, high interest, credit cards can be upwards of 26, 27%. You can have auto loans at 15%. And we can still do home loans in the 6% range. That's still relatively low interest rate compared to other interest rates out there. And if you can eliminate a couple $1,000s worth of debt, you just gave yourself a $2,000 pay raise. And I don't know when the last time your job gave you a $2,000 pay raise, but let's sit down, let's have a consultation and see if we can get you set up to give yourself a pay raise. So if you need to set up an appointment for a no cost, no obligation consultation, go to HaskinsTeamHomeLoans.com, HaskinsTeamHomeLoan.com, and set up an appointment. Also, if you want to reach out to me directly, my direct cell phone number is 661-992-7005. That's 661-992-7005. Again, I'm very excited to announce I'm with SunWest Mortgage, the home loan coach, and his team. We have a team of 6 members to serve you nationwide. We have a network of real estate agents that can help you nationwide if you to help you go out and find a place, and we can get it done for you. Most transactions can be done in 15 days or less. What I want to encourage you to do is make that appointment. Give that phone call to the home loan coach so that we can get you set up so that you can be ready to go. You don't know how many countless phone calls I get week in and week out. Somebody calls and says, hey, landlord wants to sell the house. I got to be out in 30 days. I got to be out in 60 days. Well, we got to get you ready to purchase. Don't wait until that time comes. Let's get yourself set up now. There's no cost. There's no obligation. Let's do what we need to do. Some of you may be self-employed. We need to figure out the tax return situation. If you already own property, we need to figure out how to structure that rental property so that it's beneficial to you for your next purchase. If you have credit challenges, let's talk about it now before there's an immediate need for you to purchase a property. Rents are going up. Rents are at an all-time high. I just read an article about JP Morgan Chase wants to purchase $1 billion with a B, $1 billion in single-family residences to rent out. Why? Well, you have to ask yourself the question, why? Why would JP Morgan Chase want to do that? They're looking at the rental market maybe going up, and they must see profit in that. There must be profit in that for them to rent out homes. Why don't you put yourself in that position? You be the landlord. You purchase property so that you can rent it out and get that cash flow. You don't put yourself in a position where you get the knock from the landlord, knock on the door from the landlord, or that phone call or that letter that says, hey, we're selling the property. You need to be out in 30 days or 60 days. That can be devastating. So let's get yourself lined up now so that you are ready if that great deal drops. If that knock at the door, that letter comes from the landlord, you're ready to go. And I'm here to assist. The home loan coach and my team is here to assist you with all of your home loan needs. Again, that's purchasing, refinancing. If you want to refinance to pull cash out, if you want to look at investing in property in your area or any other area across the United States, we have a team that can help you. Real estate agents, we got lenders standing by that can help you. You can reach me on my direct cell at 661-992-7005. Please don't hesitate to do so. And make sure to connect with me, the Home Loan Coach, on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. You can reach me on all those social media platforms, the Home Loan Coach. Just search the Home Loan Coach and go there, and you'll get updates, content on what's going on in the market, loan programs, anything that's new and hot off the presses that can help you. We have all the old products. We have down payment assistance throughout the country if you're in need of down payment assistance. There's also some other powerful programs that I'll be bringing to your knowledge that can help you out. All right. Until next time, stay safe. I wish you well, and don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. Thank you.